Your AI is basically a very confident toddler with a PhD. It can write Shakespeare fan fiction about black holes, but ask it to check your calendar and it just panics. MCP is the thing that finally lets AI use tools without accidentally detonating your digital life. Hey, welcome to Timeless Logic, where we take complicated tech and break it down so even your non-tech friend who still uses Internet Explorer can understand it. Today, we're debunking how MCP actually lets AI models talk to tools. You might have noticed AI can talk about anything, but it can't actually do anything. Ask it to book a flight, and it's like, I can't, but here's a very emotional poem about airports. That's because AI models live in a sealed off prediction bubble. MCP is the universal translator that finally connects them to real world tools safely. AI models know everything, but can't touch anything. They're like that friend who memorized every recipe on Earth but refuses to enter the kitchen. Before MCP, every company built their own custom integrations. Want AI to check emails? Build a connector. Want it to read a file? Another connector. Want it to order pizza? Congratulations, now you need a third connector. It was the USB cable nightmare era of AI. Fun fact, one developer calculated he spent more time writing API wrappers than building the actual AI features. Basically, I bought a Ferrari and spent all year building a road. So Anthropic, the company behind Claude, said, stop, enough. And they created MCP, Model Context Protocol, a standard way for AI models and tools to talk. Think of it like a restaurant. The AI model is the customer. The tools are the kitchen equipment, and MCP is the waiter and the menu system. The AI isn't allowed inside the kitchen, too dangerous. So MCP stands in the middle saying, here are the tools, here's how they work. Try not to burn anything. Here's the actual flow. 1. The MCP server hosts tools. 2. It sends the AI a schema, basically an instruction manual. 3. The AI sends a tool call, like, please run this function. 4. MCP translates it, sends it to the real service, gets the results, and hands them back to the AI. It's basically Google Translate for AI and APIs. And those schemas? They're just instructions written in JSON, which looks complicated but is really just brackets trying their best. Now here's the key part. It's called Model Context Protocol because all these tools, schemas, and capabilities get sent to the AI as context. The AI learns what tools exist on the fly. Nothing is hard-coded. It discovers tools dynamically by asking the server, hey, what tools do you have? And the server replies with the full menu. Here's what a real MCP-style call could look like. Tool, order pizza. Arguments, size, large. Toppings, pepperoni. Address your home. See, not that scary? Fun fact, within just 3 months of launching MCP, developers built over 1,000 MCP servers. For Slack, Notion, GitHub, Google Drive, PostgreSQL, Spotify, and even Philips Hue lights. Yes, AI can now change your room lighting to purple because a developer got bored at 2 a.m. Now let's talk security. Before an AI uses any tool, you have to give permission. Just like your phone asks, can this app access photos? Except here it's, can Claude read your Google Drive? No rogue AI emailing your ex at midnight. So that's MCP, the system that finally lets AI models do real-world things without melting the internet. If you enjoyed learning how AI secretly functions behind the scenes, hit subscribe. Because here at Timeless Logic, we break down the tech that's rewriting the future, one sarcastic analogy at a time.